To troubleshoot Klarna returns, start by understanding the process of how Klarna handles returns. Klarna is a payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments or after receiving their order. When a customer initiates a return, Klarna will refund the amount paid and cancel any remaining payments. First, check the order status in your Klarna account to confirm that the return has been initiated. Look for the specific order and verify that the return request has been received by Klarna. If the return is still pending, contact the customer to confirm that they have sent back the item. Next, review the return policy to ensure that the customer is eligible for a refund. Check the time frame for returns, the condition of the item, and any other requirements that must be met. If the customer is not eligible for a refund, contact them to explain the reason and provide alternative solutions. If the customer is eligible for a refund, check the refund status in your Klarna account. If the refund has not been processed, contact Klarna support to request assistance. Provide the order number, customer information, and any other relevant details to help resolve the issue. In some cases, the refund may be delayed due to technical issues or missing information. To resolve this, ensure that all necessary information is provided, including the order number, customer name, and refund amount. You can also contact Klarna support to request an update on the refund status. To prevent returns from being delayed or denied, ensure that your return policy is clear and concise. Provide detailed instructions on how to initiate a return, including any necessary documentation or packaging requirements. You should also respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve any issues in a timely manner. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot Klarna returns and provide a positive experience for your customers. Remember to stay up to date with Klarna's return policies and procedures to ensure that you are providing the best possible service.